What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to Tarver Academy. We're here. We made it. We made it, everybody. There's nobody in here. Okay, so today's Rock the Quote. Quote of the day, if you will, if you're just joining us for the first time. Today's is by Olan Rogers, YouTube filmmaker, storyteller, and soda shop owner, soda parlor owner. I've been there a few times. It's cool. He said, every good fight needs a few hits. That's pretty good, man. Every good fight needs a few hits. Okay, so think of this. Think if you're watching a boxing match and they go ding, 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 and they're starting the boxing match and the two guys walk out and they just stand there. You know, it's like Street Fighter when they're waiting to start and they're just bouncing back and forth, but they're not hitting, not swinging. Ding, 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 end of the round. And they go, what, 6 or 9 rounds or how many rounds it is, and then they end it and nobody ever swings. Every good fight needs a few good hits. Okay, so that's what we would enjoy for watching the fight on TV. But what Olan's talking about here is in life, if you're really wanting a good fight, like something worthy of winning, you gotta get hit a few times. Because then when you actually succeed, it makes it so much more worth it. You know, we've all seen these people out there, these kids that never have any challenges. You know, maybe they're born with a lot of privilege, and they just walk into stuff and they've never overcome anything. They've never built anything. They just are handed everything. And I love that whenever we see that, it's like we feel that they're missing something. We feel that they haven't earned something. But then you watch somebody who came from nothing, or somebody that's built everything themselves, or taken what they were given and then they made it more, they multiplied it. That's something we can respect. And usually on that road, somebody gets knocked down because it's not usually an easy road because it wasn't all handed to them. So I love that. That's great. Great quote by Olan. So if you could give him a shout out, follow him. He's way better than me on videos. But you're here, and that means that we are best friends. So if you would, please subscribe. That's cool. And always stay sweet and never stop learning.
Hello, everybody.
Please subscribe. That's number one. That'd be so cool if you subscribe to this channel. Share it with somebody if you think it would add them value. If you want, we've also got a ton of resources. Also, if you want, we have a Patreon page, patreon.com/Tyler Tarver. I've uploaded like 90 plus of these videos for you to download and have for your class. That'd be great.
Don't forget for my hand.
Appreciate you guys. Stay sweet and never stop learning. Peace.
And never